Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you how to make tortilla chips out of the tortillas that you can buy at the market, okay? So we're gonna put these tortillas down, and the ones you buy are a lot prettier. These kind of are the ones that get burned or go bad or are not exactly a circular shape, so my daughter brings them home and I get to consume them. So I'm just gonna put some of these in a big pan. So I'm gonna do this. See, sometimes they just don't turn out perfect. We try to give you guys the perfect ones, and then we eat the not perfect ones. And then all I'm gonna do is spray them. And some of them I'll put some salt and garlic. And the other ones I'm gonna put everything bagel seasoning, just to get a different seasoning. There's different things you can do, okay? Okay guys, so I put these in at 350 for 10 minutes. I did these ones at 400 for 12 minutes and they ended up getting burned, okay? But they do come out nice and crispy. And these came out like these. See how these are flimsy? It takes a couple of minutes for them to harden up. So see, they're already starting to get harder. So I would just let them sit out like this and dry out. And then we're gonna wait. This one's already getting hard. But once they're done, you'll be able to like just break them off. Okay guys, I'm back. So after I took these out of the oven, I let them sit for about 10 minutes, okay? I just let them sit and wait for them to cool off. And as you can see, they break up really nice, okay? So this is my chip. This is how I do chips and salsa. Maybe that one should have cooked longer. Now I did this at 350 for 10 minutes, and this way I can have chips and salsa, and I'm not compromising my diet. They hold up really nice. Whoops, that broke, sorry. They're breaking. I mean, this is delicious. I'm getting my chips and salsa fix, and I'm not compromising my diet. Guys, the nice thing about this is I can eat chips and salsa without compromising my diet. If I was to eat even a small handful of tortilla chips with this salsa, it'll mess me up for 3 days, and it'll take my body 3 days to be able to go back to normal where it's at today. And so that's why I'm trying to come up with things like this for you guys, so that you can have an alternative so that you don't cheat. Because it's not even that cheating is so bad, it's that cheating sets you back. So you don't want to cheat. That's why I'm carrying like gummy bears and chips and snacks and everything that are keto, so that because they're all clean and you're not gonna cheat. Okay, so that's why I'm doing this. So hopefully this is gonna help you. So visit HealthyTreatsMarket.com and place your order, or you can come see us at the Davison Farmers Market. We're open Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 9 to 5. And don't forget to like the page on Facebook, as well as ask to join the Healthy Treats Market support group, because that's where all my customers do all kind of different concoctions with the different things that we sell, and you can get a lot of ideas from other customers. Thank you. God bless you.